UK versus USA English. Lorry versus truck. They both transport goods, but you use lorry in the UK and truck in the USA. Flat versus apartment. They both describe a single floor residence in a building, but UK you use flat and the USA you use apartment. Bonnet versus hood. They both describe the piece of metal on the front of a car, but in the UK you use bonnet, while in the USA you use hood. Knackered versus exhausted. They both describe very tired, but in the USA you use exhausted, and in the UK you use knackered. Jumper versus sweater. They both describe a knitted top that you might wear, but people in the UK use jumper, while people in the USA use sweater. Trousers versus pants. They both describe what you wear on the bottom half of your body, but people in the UK use trousers, while people in the USA would use pants. Boot versus trunk. They both describe the back of the car where you put your luggage or bags. In the UK, you use boot, and in the USA, you use trunk. Chips versus French fries. They both describe deep fried potatoes, but people in the US use French fries, while people in the UK use chips, as in fish and chips. Bin versus trash can or garbage can. They both describe the place where you put your garbage or trash, but people in the UK use bin, while people in the USA use trash can or garbage can. Chemist versus pharmacy. They both describe a place where you get prescription medication, but people in the UK use chemist, while people in the US use pharmacy.